Hello all. Today I'm replacing my tail light in my 2009 Honda Pilot. So this works for all second generation Honda Pilots. First of all, there are two screws right here. I think there's a Philip on here, so it will work with a Philip if you have a screwdriver. But right here I have a 5/16 socket. So I just remove these two screws. So as you can see, that it wiggles a little bit but still won't come out. So what you do next is you take a putty knife and you just put it in between. There are two retaining nuts at the back that's holding it inside, and all you do is just take both hands and just pop it out like that. So now I can have access to change the bulbs. So next thing you do is, since the light that is damaged in my vehicle is the brake light, so all you do is you just turn it counterclockwise, pull it out. You can see the damaged bulb right here. Just pull that out too. Take your replacement bulb and you can stick it in. Now, as many people will tell you that there's oils on your hand, and oils on the bulb will deteriorate the life expectancy of it. So I actually use detergent to wash my hands. You can, if you accidentally touched it, you can use some alcohol wipes to wipe over the bulb. But after you're all done, then all you have to do is just slide it back in. And there's a little groove for it to slide back in, like so, and then you turn it clockwise. Now, so to put it back, as you can see at the bottom, there's this little groove, and you want that groove to slide into the bottom part of this plastic right here. So all you do is just reverse the same order. You just make sure that that groove aligns down there, and then you just push it back in. Now you tighten up those two screws that you put in. If you're using a driver, I like to set it to about 7, so that I won't strip the screws. So there you go.